Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my final time. Yeah, this is it unfortunately. This is my last one. The last one will be my penultimate video, and this is my last one. Simple reason is the seats inside are all done. The jobs that are to be done are not very noticeable by drone. Like there's these guys over here. Let's get a bit low. That'll zoom me there. Then I can point up and zoom what they're doing then. So there's guys on a cherry picker here. And they're probably doing very minimal jobs. There'll be a snag list as long as, you know, the Mersey tunnel. And that's what they'll be doing now for the remainder. Some sort of net. I don't know. Yeah, so snagging list, they'll be going on for a long while, I suspect. Come along filming snags is not going to be ideal, so I'll have a quick look outside, get a shot of the final seats in, and then, yeah, and then I'll finish up by thanking you all. What are they doing down here on this one? See, that's what I mean by very minimal jobs. You have to get pinpoint on what they're doing. Not like the good old days when you're moving, you know, massive girders around and stuff like that. Move on this way. Just want to thank everyone for all your kind comments on the last video as well. It was, you know, it was unreal. I'm literally lost of words with it. You know, all the kind of words everyone was saying about me, about the channel, you know, about what I've been doing. But as I say, I've said from video one, comments make the content, and they really do. Without your comments, this channel would be nothing. It really would. You know, all the suggestions that people have made, you know, I've carried out. You know, if they were good ones, that is. I had a lot of mad suggestions as well that I didn't carry out. Right, let's get higher. But yeah, really blown away. So wait till the end. I'll show some of the comments. So it's not something I normally do, but it's the last video. You know, it's not a case of, you know, look at me, look what people say about me. I just want to, you know, give people recognition, because there's people that have commented on the first video up until will probably comment on this video, and I want to thank you for that as well, because there's that many of you that have commented on almost every video, or comments on a regular basis, that it just, oh, it's mind-blowing, it really is. And you're stuck with me from day one till today. Right, there's the seats in. Looks like there might be no, there won't be a couple more. That's going to be steps to get out of the vomitory, and yeah, no, there won't be any more seats going in there. Sorry about that. Yeah, so that's going to be it, guys. Someone asked about the red boards at the back. Are they going to stay like that? No, they're not. So the red boards, if you watched me, I'll link at the end of this video. I've done a video about the hospitality. Lee, one of the subscribers, kindly reached out to me and gave me a ticket to the hospitality for the Legends match, which allowed me to make a video about it. So all these boards, not all of them, have windows behind them, so you can look out from the hospitality section onto the pitch. Just that, unfortunately, they're not. As I don't know why the boards weren't off. It all looks done to me inside, as you can see from the video. The window section. I don't know the reason why it's still boarded off. But there must be a reason, but I don't know. So no, there's glass behind it and that, them boards be getting removed. That's about it, guys. Final game of the season came and went. Klopp's gone. We've got Arne Slot as our new manager. Jurgen Klopp has been immense over the last 9 years. He's given me and my kids, you know, some brilliant memories from Madrid to Wembley to Leicester for the Community Shield. And the less said about Paris, the better, I think. That wasn't one of the most memorable, well, it was a memorable journey, but for the wrong reasons. But yeah, no, thank you, Jurgen, for getting me and my kids to these finals. And, you know, the Barcelona game was the standout game for me under Jurgen Klopp. It's a memory that'll live long. Corner taken quickly, you know. Just amazing. Now, my memories of that is when the corner got given and you saw the Swiss lad walking over, born in Kosovo. Cannot remember his name. He was walking over, it looks though he's walking away. Next thing, I turned to my lad and said, I hope to do something with this corner. Next thing, there was like a commotion, a turns, and the ball was heading into the top corner. And I didn't cheer, because I didn't know what had happened. And it was like all around me, people were just stunned. You know, loads of cheering because they saw it, and lots were just standing there thinking, what's just happened? And the next thing, we're all bouncing around, but then we all started cheering, the goal was given, you know, it was mad. It's a weird feeling because you thought you were going to get disallowed because you didn't know what had happened. You don't know why the goal was in the net. But yeah, there we go. Shaqiri, there we go. That's his name, Shaqiri. He was walking away, Trent was walking over, and then, he was walking towards to take the corner, Trent was walking away. And that's when I turned away then. Next thing, turned round, ball was heading into the top corner. Right guys, I'm going to land the drone. Stick with me. Right guys, that's me done. Drone stowed away for different adventures now. That'll be coming out a lot more often. A lot more to come from the channel. I'm going to be doing cruise ships all through the summer. I've got other ideas as well that you might like, that are quite popular on YouTube, so stick with me for that. I just want to thank you all, really do. It's been mind-blowing, the reception I've had from the very first video when I had no confidence at all. I made videos and then scrapped them, and then come back and made them, and then I just thought, you know what, I'll put it online. I don't like watching it, but people might, and you did, and you watched it in droves. I've got loads of subscribers to it, and you know what, I can't thank you all enough. It's been amazing. What else? Yeah, my confidence in front of the camera has grown loads as well, and it's all thanks to you lot. Tell me to get in front of the camera, you know, don't worry about what people think. And now I don't. I still do a bit. There's someone walking towards me now, and I will go quiet when they get closer. So there'll be a little cut in a minute. So it's just a girl walking the dog, but I'll go quiet now. And there we go. Still struggled talking in front of people. That took about 2 or 3 minutes for it to pass. The dog stopped and wanted to sniff stuff. Yeah, but I'm getting there. Maybe I will get confident in front of people. In crowds, I'm probably all right because I can just, you know, they're getting on with the day. But if there's someone's, I don't know, just like 1 or 2 people walking towards me, they'll probably look at me going, what's he doing, a weirdo? But yeah, right guys, go and leave it there. Can't thank you enough. Stay tuned. I'm going to play some comments from the last video. Just really kind comments from you all. But again, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Please stick with me. I've got loads coming. I'm going to be coming to Anfield doing match day vlogs, atmosphere vlogs. I'm going to do the cruise ships. Going to be doing the homeless stuff still. That's going to be probably a lifelong project, the homeless stuff, because I can't see a fix to it. But yeah, that'll be coming. I've got my bike ride coming up. But yeah, please enjoy the end of this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Comments, let me know what you think. Other ideas that I could do that you might have, and thumbs up's always appreciated. Right? Without further ado, I'll see you all later. Bye now.